Welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. If your iPhone 15 is stuck in recovery mode, I know that sinking feeling. Don't worry, we got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 ways to fix it, and these will help you save your data. And if you've ever had this happen, let me know in the comments what worked or didn't work for you. Let's go. First, let's quickly understand why your iPhone might get stuck in recovery mode. It could happen if the cable gets disconnected during an update, if there are bugs or glitches in the software, or even due to hardware issues like problems with the CPU. Older devices are more prone to this, but even newer models like the iPhone 15 aren't immune. Now let's talk solutions. The first method you can try is a force restart. This is the go-to fix for most system glitches, and it's really easy to do. Click volume up button, then volume down, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once you see the logo, let go of the button and your phone should return to normal. If this method doesn't work, try this new trick. iPhone 15 and 16 users can exit recovery mode wirelessly with another iPhone running iOS 18 or later. Just keep clicking the power button until the Apple logo blinks really fast. Then let go of it. Wait for a while. Then you will see the Apple logo fade in and out. The wireless restore page will appear and a pop-up will show on the other iPhone. Tap Continue and enter the verification code. And choose Exit Recovery Mode. And that's it, no computer needed. Okay, if this is not working for you due to weak connection, you can use a computer-based tool to exit recovery mode in one click. ReiBoot is an amazing tool that lets you exit recovery mode with just one click. All you need to do is download the software onto your computer. It works on both Windows and Mac. Once installed, connect your iPhone to the computer. Open ReiBoot and click Exit Recovery Mode. Within seconds, your phone will be back to normal. And the best part is, you won't lose any data. But what if exiting recovery mode isn't enough? Sometimes, your phone might need a system repair to fix deeper issues. ReiBoot has you covered here too. You can use the standard repair option to resolve system problems without erasing your data. Just go through the process will be okay. Your phone will be fixed by ReiBoot and get out of recovery mode now. You can also use the official Apple software to update your device to the latest version and see if that helps. Just download the Apple Devices app on your PC. And you need to put your phone into recovery mode too. The app should detect the status of your iPhone. Choose the Update button. If your phone is already on the latest version, it will erase your data. If you want to avoid that, you can try ReiBoot instead. If you click Update, wait for it to complete. It may get your phone out of Apple logo screen. You can also use iTunes or Finder to do this. They work pretty much the same. If none of these methods work, it might be a hardware issue, especially if your phone has been dropped or exposed to water. In this situation, I recommend reaching out to Apple support for professional help instead of trying DIY fixes. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helps you get your iPhone out of recovery mode. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.